Guys, how you doing?
Doing good, doing good.
Ted Vernon.
Bradley Bowers, nice to meet you.
Hello. Diego Hosley, how's it going?
Good. How can I help you?
We're looking for a delivery truck. We do high-end furniture, and we're looking for something to funk up the delivery process a little bit.
Okay. You want a pickup truck?
Something with like an open bed. Yeah.
Open bed, El Camino, maybe a pickup, something, that range.
Something nice.
Yeah, definitely.
What kind of furniture do you do?
It's all custom built, so a client puts in an order, we go to the house, take a look at everything, and then come up with an idea with them.
Let's find something.
All right, let's do it.
Come on. These guys came in looking for some kind of a delivery vehicle for some high-end furniture that they make. And I think they're real serious. I think they got the money, and I think they're going to buy something.
So far, we think South Beach Classics is pretty cool. They've got some really nice, funky cars, some things that you're not used to seeing, and it's what we're looking for.
Sounds nice.
Would this work?
No. This is too nice to deliver furniture. I'm explaining to you why.
Okay.
If you put a piece in here and it bangs into this, you can ding it up. This is like a show truck.
Yeah, but we're not moving like 2x4s and slamming them in at a Home Depot.
This is spectacular. It's got air suspension. It's just
so it doesn't always
truck.
sit as low.
No. We use Viagra. It just goes up and down.
And there are 3 of us, so the bench seat makes it better.
Yeah, and it's an automatic and ready to rock and roll, and it runs and drives like it looks.
What year is it?
72.
A 72. Okay.
It's a classic truck. I'm asking 16.5, and I'm staying firm because you can't build that truck for 16.5. It's too much stuff. And if they want it, they're gonna have to step up. If not, I'm not gonna sell it. It's $16,500.
Okay.
Which is really what I've got to get for it. And if you like it, you own it.
It's a little more than we were thinking.
Good. Let's go to something else.
No, that doesn't mean we don't like it.
The fact that they're a high-end furniture company and they want to make a statement, they'll pay $16.5 for that truck. It's worth the money.
The Chevy has a bench. There's 3 of us, so we can fit everyone in to deliver. The bed is much, much larger, which we can fit more pieces. And it's kind of a cooler, it's a cooler looking truck.
I think we'll take it, 16.5.
Yeah, it's a good looking truck, and it does everything we need. So we don't need to haggle.
Done.
Thanks, Ted.
Thank you.
Ted, it was a pleasure. Thank you.
I'm happy.
So can we take it home?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
All right, yes.
You got to do one thing first.
Got to pay it. We can do that. Let's do it.
Almost got him.
I'm proud of the trucks.
Yeah.
They made the right choice. They picked the right truck. It's got the bed that they need. It's got the room. It can hold 3 people, which is what they wanted. And it's slick. And it makes a statement when they pull up. It's special. They'll be right. It's the right truck.
The experience today, it's much better than most places you go to buy a car.
Yeah, Ted's great. He's a straight shooter. And that's the kind of guys we like.